Hey guys, and today I'm going to be doing a bit of kind of a weird thing that I don't usually do. I have a non-functioning zippo right here. I mean, it sparks. It has no lighter fluid in it. So yeah, I'm sorry about my voice. I don't know. Alright, there we go. It has no lighter fluid. This has lighter fluid, this BIC lighter. Okay? I wanted to see if a zippo could be lit with a BIC. Okay? We're going to go on the floor. Stack that up like that. And, yeah. Oh. Ah! Okay, slight change in plan. We're going to do a corner store. See if it'll light it. So here we go. Don't really know what's going to happen. But here we go. Fucking lighter. You gonna light? Of course you're not. The zippo's falling over. Here we go, here we go, here we go. F you. Here we go. Ow. No. That's the answer. Now, I'm now going to see if I turn the gas on and I spark this BIC. Will it light it? I need 2 hands for this. So, here we go. BIC. All the way around. I wonder if I just held this. Whoa! What the f... Oh, God! I'm scared! I am scared now! Oh my God! Hope you guys liked me almost burning my hand off. Oh God. Anyways, hope you guys liked it. Please like this video, comment on it, and subscribe. Yeah. Let's hope next time I don't burn down my house.